Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will do the second part of this tutorial. In particular, I'll show you how I did this hairstyle. If you like this video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And now let's start! First, I put a bit of Fimo liquid in the back of the head. Then I make a small ball with aluminium foil and cover it with the main color of the hair. After that I place it on the back of the head. And this is the basis for making hair. In this doll the hair is shaded in yellow, so I have to do the Skinner blend, blending the two colors. Before continuing with hair, I work on the body by adding details. To know more in detail how to make the body, you can visit the other videos in my channel. You can find the link up to the right. And now, finally, I can bake the body for 10 minutes. And now, returning to work on hair. First, I work on the back of the hair. I cut a strip from the foil I made before with the Skinner blend. And then, I roll it to make a lock. Then I join the locks to the head doll. Then I take the main color, which is this brick red, and I make shorter tufts to be placed in the upper part of the head. The longer tufts, those with the Skinner blend, I color them with a red pastel powder. After that, I shape them and place them in the lower part of the head. Then I join them with the head using this pointed tool. Then I continued the cover with the shorter tufts to give more movement to the hairstyle. While working the head, one must be careful not to crush the curls, so that they maintain a natural position. You cannot do a pre-baking, at least for me. According to my experience, on making hair is better if it's unbaked because the tufts stick more evenly and the structure is stronger. Before cooking the head, I'm making the arms. And after the baking, I add more details to the outfit. And now I can work on the front tufts. First of all, I put a bit of Imo liquid to better join the raw pasta with the baked one. Then I begin to arrange the locks. Here I touch up the nuance with red pastel to emphasize the change in color. I do another 10 minutes cooking, and then, once cooled, I put the last layer of tufts. lasts 15 minutes cooking, and here is the completed doll. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to see new video. Take care, see you very soon. Bye bye!